Okay. So after I check it now, after I check all the letters that you have sent, then again I will be replying on the same, that what how
Feedback,
you
huh?
could have improved. Yes, a feedback. I will send a feedback on this, how you could have improved, and which part you are lacking, how we should work on that. So I will tell you everything, like a brief feedback. Yes.
You will send the feedback, no?
Yeah, I will send the feedback as well. So if I have sent once that I have received it, that means I've got your letter. Okay. If you have not received, if you have not got that received message, then please try sending it again. Okay,
No,
just
I
check it.
sent only to you. I did not send to Daud.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay. So now we have, please turn on your videos. We have successfully completed the letter writing part. So are you all ready for a new assignment? Yes or no? Nobody
Kind
said.
of. Kind of.
Kind of. Okay. And what about others? Okay, so what I will do is I'll not.
You're ready.
Okay. So, but I actually need to. I was thinking that, I would not speak it here in the class, but I need to, because then, you would have issues with understanding that. Because your 15 days time period is over. Now the next 15 days have started. So if you do it on the, just a second. If you do it at the last moment, then you will feel like, oh God, we again have a assignment. So better is to, complete it. Like if I'm telling you today, it's better that you complete it within 2-3 days and just keep it aside. So then after 15 days, you won't feel like, oh God, I've just completed an assignment and ma'am is giving me another one. Okay. Okay. So I heard that you all got a party. Yes, I saw your pictures
Yeah,
as
ma'am,
well.
for a business assessment,
We had
we
pasta
had to do
also.
a
Yes, you
bake
had
sale.
pasta
So with the money we earned, we made a party.
party. Okay, great. Yeah, actually, I saw the pictures as well. Everybody, I don't even like. I don't remember the faces, but Yaya was there. Then I don't know. Rushda is not turning on the video, so I don't know about her whether she was there. Munif was there. Abdullah was also there. Ibrahim, you were also there, right? Yes.
Ma'am, I look very different in real life and on Zoom.
Everyone
You can
was
ask.
there except for Aisha Baghdadi.
Okay, everyone
Yes,
was
ma'am.
there. Okay. So I see, I saw the boys lying down on the garden, and you had a lot of fun. That is for
And we
sure.
were tired.
You were tired. Okay, that's why you lied down. You were having, I guess you were eating something in the restaurant. So you all had a lot of fun. Great. I'll turn on my video tomorrow onwards, promise. Okay, Rushta, great. So at least, I can recognize you from the next time, even, you'll do something good in an assignment. So then if ma'am takes you, Shavana ma'am takes you again for a party, I'll be able to recognize everyone. Okay. So your pickup point was Jewel of Navi Mumbai, right? For parents, it was at 5:30. Okay. So your next assignment is somewhat based on this. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to write an essay that if you wanted to change the ending, that is at 5:30 now, your pickup point was Jal of Navi Mumbai. So you went home from there. Your parents must have come to take you home, right? So they came to pick you up. So instead of going back home, what else could you have done to change the ending of the day? You can write your ideas. Everybody is free to express themselves however they want to write it. Okay, Mohammed. So your parents were not at home. Okay. So now instead of going home, what else could you have done to change the ending at 5:30? Like after 5:30, what else could you have done? Are you getting an idea? What is the question? Yes? How you could change the ending? Instead of going back home, what else
And
you
we
could
have to
have
do
done?
it today.
No, dear, 15 days you have. Don't be
Matlab,
sad,
what do
Ibrahim. You
to
have
do
15 days.
I mean, what do you have to do? Sorry, I didn't get it.
You have to write an essay. You had that party, right? So you have to write an essay that at 5:30 p.m. Your pickup point was Jewel of Navi Mumbai. So instead of going back home, how did you want the ending to be? Like, you can change the ending according to yourself. So you have to write the ending. Maybe you wanted to go at Juhu Beach and watch the sunset or something like that. Anything you can write. This is just an example, okay? Or you wanted to go at Marine Drive, or I am a fan of beaches and seeing water. So that's why I'm using Juhu Beach and Marine Drive. So you can use anything. Okay, you can change the ending anyway. You know Mumbai better than me. So what else you wanted to do? What else? What other way you wanted it to end? Okay, so you have to just change the ending in your way. And this is very subjective. Everyone will think differently, and I want you all to think differently and bring creative ideas. Okay? You have the freedom, but stick to the, formal language at least.
Ma'am, this is the second one that you told 15 days.
Yeah, this is the second one. Yes. First one was letter. This is the second one. Until you send the second one, much before that, you will get the response for the first one. Well, I will start checking it. Maybe by the end of this week, after Thursday, I mean. On Friday, I will sit and check everything. Okay? Or maybe in between the week. So I will let you know. You'll get the response. So just give me some time because I have Mandela's to check also and yours to check also. So don't worry. So now you have to write this and you will be assessed. Your word limit will be 150 words, more than enough. 100 to 150 words. That's it. Don't exceed the word limit. Okay, 100 to 150 words is your word limit. Everything that I'm speaking right now, I'm going to write it down in the classroom app as well. So don't be scared that you're not going to get the information again. I'll just write it down again in the classroom app. I'm just explaining. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me right now. Okay?
No,
Make
ma'am, I'm
sure
listening.
make sure you write it very nicely, and it is an essay, so you will be at least try to write 2 to 3 paragraphs, maybe smaller ones as well. So try to write it within 150 to 200 words.
Ma'am, there will be only one paragraph, I guess, because only 150 words.
Okay, so you can write small paragraphs here. The introductory can be a bigger one, the rest too can be small. Okay, 150 to 200 words. Let's keep it 200. Okay, do you want to, will you be able to write till 200 words? Is that fine with you?
Yes, 150 to 200.
Okay, everyone? Instead of sending direct messages in the chat box, tell me over here. Yes?
200,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So 150 to 200 words. Okay, let's keep that as the word limit. So write it very nicely, and again, the areas you will be assessed on. Now, this time I will be giving you grades. So let's see who's writing the best. Okay. So you will be assessed on the basis of your grammar. Ibrahim, you are too tired today? Okay, the hangover of the party is not yet over. Okay, no problem. So one is your grammar. Okay, your grammar. Second is your vocabulary. What type of words you are using. I want you all to, bring new words and get out of your comfort zone and try learning and writing some new words. So a high level of vocabulary, not the basic one. You'll be assessed on that also. Okay, both of these things I will check nicely. So make sure. All the best to you all, and very good. Congratulations that most of you, I guess, have submitted the letter writing. So I'm very proud of you all for that. So now again, you have 15 days time Today is 13th, right? So 13 plus 15 is 28. Oh, sorry. 13 plus 15. So that is 538 and 20. Okay. So yeah. So what we can do is we have Christmas vacation, right? We have a Christmas holiday also. It is starting just
So,
a
ma'am,
second.
in Christmas vacation, we have to finish it.
Yeah, not in Christmas vacation, but before that. So you can be free in the Christmas
Before
vacation.
Christmas,
Okay, ma'am.
we can.
Yeah,
And
before
when is
Christmas.
Christmas vacation starting?
Ma'am, don't give
Actually,
one more writing skill after this
No.
essay because in Christmas
After?
we don't do.
No,
After this-
no. 15 days, it will end up before Christmas. So now again, you're not going to get anything. Christmas, enjoy your Christmas break. Okay, I'll not give anything during Christmas break. So what we can do is, let's keep the last date as 24th December. More than enough?
Yes, ma'am.
11 days. Because from 27th, that is Monday, your vacations, like your holidays are going to start, and already on 25th, 24th it is Christmas Eve, and 25th is Christmas. So what you can do is until 24th, that is your last date, 24th December. So just send all of your essays. Okay, this time you can send it on the classroom app. Okay, because this
Yeah,
is
ma'am, you
not an
said to
essay.
mail it, so I mailed it. I did not submit on Google Classroom.
No. That was of letter writing. I was saying that you have to mail it. Now this time, this assignment, that is essay writing. Now you will send it in the classroom app. Okay? Everything will be in the classroom app this time. So next time it might change. I will keep informing you, but this time it is for classroom. So don't worry. I will not give you anything else after after this. Enjoy your vacations, and then once we are back, then again we'll start with this. Okay? Okay, come on. So let's continue with our work. Just wait a second. Can anyone tell me the page number? No one knows? Okay. I guess you don't even open books after school, right?
Now we have offline, we have PDF type books. We don't have the real ones.
Acha, okay, so tell me the PDF page number then. I have also opened the PDF actually.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Just a second. Okay, yeah, I got it. United Colors of Benetton, right? That is PDF page number 37.
Ma'am, I forgot to search about United Colors of Benetton.
You forgot to?
Search of United Colors of Benetton.
Okay, you forgot to, okay, search about it. Okay, who else has searched about this? Anyone? Okay, I guess no one has done it. The way everybody is silent. Okay, so before starting, one riddle for you all. It's raining at midnight, but the forecast for tomorrow and the next day is clear. Will there be sunny weather in 48 hours?
No.
Ma'am, can
But-
you say again?
It's raining at midnight, but the forecast for tomorrow and the next day is clear. Will there be sunny weather in 48 hours?
No, ma'am, because there will be night.
No, ma'am, no.
Yes, because it will be night again.
Yes, exactly. After 48 hours, again, it will be midnight. I said that it's raining at midnight. Okay. Liam was 11 the day before yesterday. and next year he'll turn 14. How is this possible?
Ma'am, I didn't hear.
Can you repeat? Can you repeat?
Liam was 11 the day before yesterday, and next year he will turn 14. How is this possible?
Can you repeat?
Okay. Liam was 11 years old, okay? The day before yesterday. And next year he will turn 14. How is this possible? Okay. Aisha
Because
has
it is
got the
a
answer.
clock.
What? Aisha, don't send it to everyone. Huh?
Because-
Wait. Yes. Keep on trying. Everyone, come
Ma'am,
on.
that is that thing, no? That in leap year
No, how
something
will
is
he
there,
turn?
no?
No,
No, how will it turn? How will he turn directly?
And because
14?
Liam is not a person, it is something else.
No. Wrong answer. Is a person only.
And then what is the answer?
Today is January 1st. Okay? And Liam's birthday is December 31st. So Liam was 11 the day before yesterday. That is on December 30th. Okay? Then turned 12 the next day. This year on December 31st,
How
he'll
next
turn
day he
13.
turned 12?
The next year he'll turn 14.
Somehow I do not understand.
Today is
That is
January
very
1st
dull.
December,
His
na?
birthday.
Ma'am,
Yes.
because today is January 1st, so in January is the starting of the new year. So the same year he will turn.
Yeah, same year he'll turn 13. So next year he'll turn 14. Okay, and day before yesterday means on 30th December, he was 11. Okay, he turned 12 the next day, that is on 31st. His birthday is on 31st. So the same year, now they are on 1st January. So that year he will turn 13, and the next year he'll turn 14 on 31st. Okay, now understood or still not understood? Okay, what can you put between 7 and 8 to make the result greater than 7 but less than 8?
What, ma'am? Can you say again?
What can
Ma'am,
you
can I go
put
to the
between?
washroom? Can I
Okay,
go to
please.
the washroom?
Yes. What can you put between 7 and 8 to make the result greater than 7 but less than 8?
Can you repeat? I did not get it. My network gone.
What can you put between 7 and 8
78.
to make the result
7.5.
greater than 7 but less than 8?
7.5. 7.5.
7.5.
Okay. Exactly, Aisha. A decimal point. A decimal point. A decimal point.
Oh, I read this.
A decimal point. So, your result would be 7.8. That is between 7 and 8.
Ma'am, you took this riddle from the white wiki app.
No, I was just scrolling and I just clicked on any link. But
Because this
Aisha
you
is your
asked us-
rescuer. Huh? What?
You asked this question, na? It was in white wiki app.
No, that is some prodigy or something. I don't know where I'm getting it from. That is any link I have just clicked. I just scrolled and clicked any link, but not the, top ones, because I'm very sure you already know the answers of it. Okay. What can go up a chimney down, but can't go down a chimney up?
Smoke.
No. What can go up a chimney down, but can't go down a chimney up?
Oh, I do not understand what chimney up, chimney
Santa.
down is.
Okay. Let's change the question then if you didn't understand. Yes, Aisha, correct. The answer is an umbrella. If your umbrella is down, it can fit through a chimney, but if it's up, it won't fit. It's open, it won't fit in the chimney.
No, I do not understand what is chimney up and chimney down.
Let it be. Even I understood it half. If I have it, I don't share it. If I share it, I don't have it. What is it?
Secret.
Yes,
said
correct.
this, ma'am.
Okay, I have told this one.
No,
That's
you
it.
haven't told this one. It was the different question, but the
That was
answer
the
was
silence
same.
one, I guess.
No, the question was different.
Okay,
The
last,
answer was
last,
secret
last,
The
only.
last.
pattern was same, but the answer was promise and this answer was secret.
Okay. What can jump higher than a building?
Kangaroo.
Air.
No, Aisha, you dare not write the answer. I'm very sure you have the
I
answer.
know that answer too.
No, don't write. Wait. Let them guess at least. You, every time you come to their rescue, let them guess.
Helicopter, ma'am. Helicopter.
What can jump higher than a building?
And building can't jump.
What?
Jump.
Exactly. You know, the answer is written here. Sorry for the language. Anything that can jump, buildings don't jump, silly. You know, anything that can jump. What can jump higher than a building? So anything that can jump, because building will never jump.
I thought building was here only and you can jump higher than the building.
No.
Plane, helicopter,
The one is
aeroplane.
jumping. I did not get like if
So
the building was
exactly, that
jumping.
is a lame riddle. That is
I
a
mean,
lame
sure,
riddle.
it has sense too.
Yes, but somewhere or the other it has sense. But still we weren't able to guess it. Okay, great. Okay, I'm happy that even Mohammed takes, at least he takes permission for going here and there. Rest of you have kept your videos off, so I can't even understand, where are you at the moment?
Ma'am, I am there. I'm giving answers. Ma'am, that's my
Yes,
camera
no,
on that.
like I am saying that when I'm teaching. Okay, good. My net is very bad. Okay, Monib, no problem. I know you keep your video on. Okay. That is not in compulsion, but at the end of the day, the thing is that your focus should be here. No matter what you are doing, you can have your breakfast also while you are learning, but your attention should be here. That's it. That is the leniency you get in your online classes. So that's fine. Until you are, mature enough to understand that how important it is to receive knowledge, to get knowledge, and to stay focused to get knowledge, it's fine. If you keep your video off also, it's fine, but your attention should be here, or else you are in the loss. Okay, write an explanation of, we are doing about United Colors of Benetton, right? So write an explanation of how the colors used in the photograph make the product seem more desirable.
Ma'am, which text?
This text, United Colors of Benetton. So how do you think?
Text, is this text 3B or which?
Wait a second, it's not 3B, it's 3E.
Okay.
Text 3E. Question number 9A. Write an explanation of how the colors used in the photograph make the product seems more desirable. So, when we go to the market, different kinds of clothes we see, and all the clothes have different colors. So the colors, that day even we were discussing, everything has a positive or negative impact on our mind. Same way, the colors also have a positive and negative impact. Just a second. Yeah. So now how colors affect your mood, and how colors can make a product seem very nice, that you are forced to choose that outfit. So what do you think in this? You have to look at this photograph and then decide. Come on, tell me. I'm bringing my book. Okay, Anas. Yes, rest of you, come on, tell me. Looking at the colors in the photo, there are 4 people,
Ma'am,
right?
the red one.
Oh.
The red. Because it's more brighter.
Okay, that's more brighter.
Ma'am,
Okay, so that is
depends
eye-catching.
on the contrast, like red and green, and they match different.
Oh, okay, very good.
The contrast should be nice, like it should be eye-catching.
Okay, so which is the eye-catching one according to you all? Any one person? You can give your
Green.
answers.
Green and red. Red
Green
one.
and red. Okay, the red
Only
jacket
red
one.
one.
The boy, na? The boy with the red jacket.
Yes.
Yes. The boy with the red jacket.
Okay. What else? Who else? Everybody says the red one, the boy with the red jacket.
And both the boys are wearing the same shoes.
Yeah, both the boys are wearing same shoes. Correct.
I say green.
Okay, one
I
says
say
green.
red and
Okay, the others say the one with the red jacket. Okay. So, you know, bright colors, they make you more interested into that particular outfit. Okay, Aisha also says green. Yes, even the green is looking nice. So the more nice the product is looking, the more chances of you buying the product. This is a trick also. Even, you know, I'm not relating to this, but even when you go to malls and everything, the products with the which are, you know, costly, they and very fancy, they look very fancy, expensive also, and they look fancy also, they look very nice. For example, chocolates or something like that, so they keep it on the, you know, shelf which is on your eye level. You can see it directly, you know, when you just enter, your first vision, like when you see it, you'll first notice that, because it is kept on your eye level purposely. This is a trick. This is a trick of those people. So you'll just notice that and then you'll pick it up. So the fancy items, the expensive ones are kept at your eye level. So this is a trick of making you buy things. So the same way it is about, here we are just talking about something else. This is about colors, right? How colors make you seem that the product is, you know, very nice and you can purchase that product. Okay. Many people's favorite color is one of the main colors, red, yellow, green, and blue. Write an explanation of why you think these colors have such a powerful effect. Okay, come on, tell me. Who has this favorite color? Red, yellow, green, and blue. Any one out of them?
Ma'am, blue.
No, ma'am,
ma'am, I
that's
like
my favorite.
blue. I like light blue.
Okay,
I
you
like
like.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have everything like blue over here.
Oh, you like everything except blue.
No,
I like
I
bathrobe blue
like-
and light blue.
I like blue, but in here in my house there is so much blue.
Okay, so everything must have been painted in blue color.
Ma'am, his whole building is blue.
Okay,
Yes, our building is only blue. Full building is blue and white.
great. So the person who has painted, who has designed the building must be liking blue color maybe.
Yes,
Why
ma'am, blue
they
color is
always, when they paint the colony, they do blue only. We always suggest them different colors, but they do.
Okay, so come on, tell me. Why do you all think that these colors have such a powerful effect?
Ma'am,
Because they are
some
bright.
colors are seen often by people. Blue
because
is
they are
seen
bright
often.
colors. And ma'am,
Blue
people
is
like
seen
bright
often by
colors.
people. And
Bright colors represent some object and looks nice.
Okay, they are eye-catching, they catch the attention of
They
the
are-
viewer.
They are
Then,
mostly seen in nature.
okay, they can influence mood also, you know, your looking at bright and happy colors, that will, you don't realize this, but this is a psychological effect, we say. So bright colors usually they what we can say, they secrete such happy hormones that your mood will be uplifted. That is one, that is also one reason. What else?
Yes, ma'am. If there is dark color, that means it is very sad and sorrow, and
Yeah,
if it
exactly.
is bright and all, it means happy.
Happy, correct. So you know,
But ma'am,
season.
sometimes black also stands out on clothes, like it looks fashionable and trendy.
Yes, yes, it depends, you know, the way you style it. It depends on the way you style it. There are certain things that can affect your mood without you knowing that, you know, the things are having such a great impact. For example, seasons also. I don't know whether you have felt it or not. Whenever there are days when the sun is not out and, it is going to rain, but it's not yet raining. So the clouds are there everywhere. So that's like a gloomy weather. So we feel a little low. I have felt the same. We feel a little low, but when there are, bright sunny days, we feel good when there is sunlight. So this in turn affects your mood. Then colors also, it depends on what type. If you sit in a completely dark room, you will not feel good. But if you sit in a room with bright colors and, different kinds of colors are there, different kinds of toys or something, any things are kept that have bright colors, you'll feel good. So my sister is obsessed with black color. She even has a black phone cover. Even I was somewhat obsessed in the past. Even I am right now. I also love black color. It depends, if you look good in black color, then you will like that color. Then that's fine. Or else, most of the times, when you see anything around yourself, so the bright colors have a good impact on you. Okay. So see, we even don't know, and still the colors have such a powerful impact on our mind, right? Okay. Wait a second. If there is black theme, I always take that one. Yes, I would also choose the same. Black and white is the best combination. Okay. Write an explanation of the double meaning of the slogan, the United Colors of Benetton. Come on, who will tell me? What do you understand by the word, the United Colors of Benetton? Yes?
Ma'am,
It's a clothing brand.
It is a?
Clothing.
A clothing brand.
ma'am, like they are trying to tell that all races can wear this clothes. United
Okay,
Colors.
okay, yeah. So somewhat they are
Ma'am, it is
portraying
suitable
unity.
for every person. No, I mean, no, no
They're
equality.
portraying unity amongst different caste, color, creed, no discrimination. This is one point we can use. Yes. And the other, what is it? There is a double meaning, because that means that one heading is trying to tell you two different things. What is the other thing? Okay, you're all writing in the chat box, I think. My entire room is black and white, even bed sheet. Okay. Everybody's so obsessed with black color. Okay. So, come on, tell me. Mohammed, give it a try. What do you understand from the United Colors of Benetton? Today, we all are discussing the answers, okay? And in the next class, we'll write down the answers, okay? The way we usually do it every time. This time, we'll just discuss all the answers. And in the next time, what we will do is just the writing part, okay? So
Ma'am,
in
Benetton could be a place in, other than they are telling that this is for all the people of Benetton, everyone can wear it. Benetton could be a name of a place,
true.
and they are trying to tell.
Definitely meaning that means all the races should is united.
Yes, so colors don't belong to any particular, any particular caste, any particular creed, or any particular religion, right? Colors is something they are trying to portray, that colors unite us together as one, right? Colors, like it is not that black color is for only one kind of people and white color is for other kind of people. It's nothing like that. We have seen this, right? Like many of us stick to like many religions, they stick to particular color. So like for example, if I say Hindus, they stick to that yellow color, that is the kesari color, we say that yellow, it is type of orange, we can say orange color. And many of the Muslim peoples, they like to wear black and white. So it's nothing like that. Okay, people might have taken up one color to portray themselves, but colors don't define us. Anyone can wear anything. Color should unite us. This is what the slogan is giving you the message, right? Anyone can wear anything, the united colors of Benetton. So harmony, peace. This is just portraying different type of good values and beliefs. Yes? Do you agree, Aisha? Aisha Yahoo? Do you agree? Yes? Even she is wearing black today. Okay, speak up. Do you find me very strict, or do you find that I'm going to scold you? No? Okay. So the writing part in the next class, please remind me that, in case if I forget and go on further, remind me that we have to go with the writing part.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. We'll just write these question answers next time. Okay. Specific colors conjure up ideas in the reader's mind. For example, navy is more definite shade than just dark blue, and it has connotation of the sea and ships. Okay, so see, now girls might be more aware about this because different types of tints and shades and colors, whenever we go to purchase anything, it might be cosmetics, it might be clothes or something. So we have different shades of pink as well, right? We have baby pink also. I don't know many of the shades. So there are different types of shades of one color. So for example, if we talk about blue color, so navy color is more specified as a color, right? Rather than just dark blue. So when we say navy color, navy color, so we can think about the sea and ships also, right? So the first impact in your mind when you say navy is you have that at the back of your mind, you have this, you have a picture of sea and ships, the navy, right? So the more specific the words are, the more we try to relate everything. The more we try to relate it with different types of things.
Like navy blue, navy blue.
Yes, navy blue. So now this is a very subjective exercise. Which words come to your mind when you think of the following colors? Gold. What do you think when you talk about gold color?
Gold.
Ornaments, right?
We think about jewelry.
Jewelry, ornaments, yes. Silver?
Iron, man, iron.
Iron, chandi and all that.
Yes, everything. So everything related to even silver ornaments we have, right? And we have some utensils also made out of
Steel
silver.
utensils.
Yeah, steel utensils, and there are, in the olden times, people used to use the silver also. And there were coins also, right? Okay. Beige. Okay, so this is beige. I guess, I don't know. This is the color, see. The different kinds of
It's beige. Ma'am,
beige.
beige color means off-white a bit.
Off-white, yeah. So I'm just trying to show you. See, this is the color. I don't guess if you can see it. Almost like skin color. Beige color. So what do you think? You think about skin? Yes. That is almost resembling the skin color.
We think about sand, beach sand.
Okay. And ginger. What do you think about ginger? When you
Man.
Ma'am, ginger also.
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread
Yes,
man.
gingerbread, ginger itself, right? I didn't even knew. Thankfully, I am just
Ma'am, we
seeing
use
this.
ginger in chai also.
Yes, even that
Ma'am,
ginger.
chai.
Yes. So we think of tea also. Okay. Turquoise color.
Ma'am, that clean water.
Ocean.
Ma'am,
Ocean
that
sea.
True.
water.
This is such a pretty color. See,
Water.
such
I
a pretty
love
color.
Ma'am, I like turquoise color. It's
It
very
is like aqua, right? It
Yes,
is like
ma'am.
aqua
Turquoise
color.
color is good.
I can resemble the globe also. Looking at this, the globe is also of same color, right? You know, the one we have it. Great. We can
But ma'am,
think about
turquoise is a bit greenish. It's a bit
greenish.
bluish.
Yes, it
Like,
has a greenish
it's
tint.
not completely blue. Like it's teal color, somewhat like teal color.
Yeah. Now, from now onwards, this is my favorite color. Okay. Those who are not speaking, I expect them at least to write in the chat box. Okay. I want everyone to participate. Or else I would have to tell Shabana ma'am to arrange a public speaking class for you all. Do you want me to do that? Yes, then we'll enjoy in public speaking.
No.
That's not a
No,
punishment, of
ma'am.
course. That's not a
I am
punishment. We'll enjoy there.
participating.
In Mandela, we have this public speaking. So what we do is we every Thursday we have a debate on different topics, and then we, you know, some are for the topic and some are against the topic, and then everybody has a, for 1 week they get the topic prior to 1 week, and then on the day of debate they will fight nicely. The for and against, they have a nice fight while, you know, they put their points for debate. So we'll do that one day if you want. We can't have an extra class for that, but we can one day, surely we'll do that. Would you love to participate in a debate?
Ma'am, we have done a debate.
Ma'am, we have done
Yes,
debate.
ma'am.
It was
We are very good at debates from this class.
Okay, even I want
ma'am,
to
we
see.
will shout so much.
Yeah, no worries. I
Ma'am, we
want
have
you all
done.
to shout. Come on, debates are all about shouting only. Like shouting in a way, you are expressing your opinion. So it should be, you know, how you respect the other person, although their opinion is different from yours. Okay, still how you respect and how you keep your point. That is the beauty of debate. So surely one day let's have a debate. Let me just go through the syllabus, how much is left and everything, and then we'll surely have a debate. Okay, come on. Look up the exact shade. Wait. Look up the exact shade conveyed by the following color words and use them appropriately in a sentence for each. Okay, so you have to use these words to make sentences. Violet, azure, charcoal, amber, olive.
Ma'am,
Yes.
roses are red, violets are blue.
What, dear?
Ma'am, there is ma'am. Roses are red, violets are blue. Match the best.
Yes. Okay. So you have to look at, you have to just, I guess everybody knows the color here, right? Charcoal is blackish and olives are of two types, but here I guess they are mostly talking
Ma'am,
about the
green. It is
greenish
type
one.
of green.
Yeah.
Ma'am, one is black also and one is green.
One is green also, but here I guess they're talking about the
Charcoal
green
is
one.
the color of the coal, like that. It's
What?
very black. Charcoal is the color. The color is very black, and it's color like a coal.
Yes, coal, correct. So you
Ma'am,
have to
there are
make
charcoal
sentences. So we are not
pencils.
going with this one right now. We are not going to make sentences on this. Okay, come on. So I was just discussing the colors. Compound color adjectives can be even more specific. For example, mint green. Work in pairs and see how many compound adjectives you can think of. Come on, tell me.
Like light blue is an example.
Light blue, okay.
And sea green, cerulean
Sea green,
blue.
correct,
Sea blue,
correct.
sea
Sea blue. Okay,
Cerulean blue.
And dark
Yes.
blue, dark blue.
yes.
Rose pink,
Rose pink, correct. Rose pink, we have rose pink. So when we
Violet.
talk about these colors in detail, so it gives us the specific detail, and you know, we can even imagine about mint when we speak mint green. At the back of our mind, we are hot pink, correct. Okay, so this is where, you know, the discussion for it is over. Okay, the discussion for these questions is over. Now the writing part we'll do in the next class, as almost the time is also up. Okay, and the next
Ma'am,
text is
chocolate
clear.
brown.
Yes, chocolate brown. Correct. So 3F we will start most probably next week.
Lemon yellow. Lemon yellow.
Yes, lemon yellow. Yes. Different types of words are there. Marble white. Correct. See, so many compound adjectives we get out of colors.
Titanium white is also there.
Yes. Okay, so we'll write it down. All the words that you are saying, just remember them. Next time when we write it down, we'll jot all of this down in our notebooks. Okay? Be ready to write. Be ready with your notebooks next time. Okay? See you on the next side. Now we'll end up. Bye-bye. Have a good day.